Okay, so I just got the oil changed and now I'm about to start it up and make sure the thing runs. So, quick shot of the engine, get a little undercar action there. You can tell where I spilled the oil. New filter. Yeah, pretty messy under here, but there's the light. Cracked and completely messed up bumper. But there you go. Anyways, on to start up the car if I can figure out where I put my keys. So those are usually helpful. Oh, right here on the ground. Okay. Well, get the right key here. So far everything looks good. Except for the smoke, but the smoke, you know, that happens. Same spots that were there. Yep, same spots. Oh, it all looks and sounds good, so plug this. Oops. Wrong plug. There we go, now we have light again. So let's take this light. Here's the old filter. We don't want to drag this through the rain. Ah, crap. Well, now I gotta go plug it back in again. Just a problem after problem here, as usual. Oh, damn. Serious problem. Oops. Alright, now let's take this cord on back here. Plug this back in. Turn this light back on, and son of a bitch, what did I just step in? Come on, turn the light on. There we go. Get this plugged in. And get this plugged back in one more time. It's not easy to do one-handed. There we go. Okay. Now we have light, and you can see smoke coming out. But hopefully that'll go away once it burns off a little bit of old oil that was in there. So, that about concludes it for today. Peace.